Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Archivas token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Archivas is a decentralized memory layer built on BNB chain that transforms data storage into living memory through proof of intelligence storage. Instead of simply keeping files, Archivas verifies and rewards data that holds real meaning such as AI models, datasets, and knowledge that can be recalled and reused across the network. This makes Archivas more than just storage because it becomes the foundation for intelligent data that can live, evolve, and contribute to Web3 and AI systems. It is the first of its kind on BSC, bringing a new category to the chain that goes beyond traditional storage tokens. Archivas is able to connect the worlds of AI and decentralized infrastructure, giving value to meaningful data instead of rewarding random file storage. Every interaction with the network bonds, creating a sustainable and deflationary system where real usage drives token demand. Archivas represents the next generation of decentralized storage where data is only stored but remembered and understood. It is a network designed for the AI age, built for developers, researchers, and communities that believe the future of intelligence should be open, verifiable, and permanent. Archivas token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Archivas token. Archivas token is listed on PancakeSwap V2, V3, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.